text, stop video, dimmed, but stop video, text, preview, image, photo booth, full screen, minima, close, mini, full photo, preview, text, stop video, button. Speech muted.
Alright, well, I'm on here, and I figured I would do a recording. a more detailed review of that Reizen talking alarm clock that I reviewed on my channel with my Android phone. I got it up here. Alright, so you can look at it. You can see it. Front of it. Not sure if you can see that or not. And then there's that. There's this. There's this. Not sure if you can see that. So the top of it, it's got the talk button. I'll just put this. You know what? Hold on. Let me have a thing on it. Let me look here. I have clock is sitting in front of the Mac. So talk button's on the top. If I press it once.
The time is now 10:55 p.m.
Well, hold on. I'll just hold it up. Let me press that again.
The time is now 10:55 p.m.
If I press it twice.
Today's Saturday, April 27th.
And 3 times.
Now you are on Central Daylight Saving Time. The time is now 10:55 p.m.
And it just goes right back. If I press the left and right, or the buttons on the, like below the screen, I think, would display,
Alarm set.
Just goes to the alarm.
7:59 a.m.
Let me...
7:19
Yeah.
7:12 a.m. 7:05 a.m. 7 a.m.
There's an alarm. It will go off at 7 a.m. The button... there are 2 buttons.
The alarm time is set at 7 a.m.
Okay. If I, so there are 2 buttons on the back. One, if you hold it down, it'll take you into the settings. If I press it once, it will sync the time. But there's another button. If I push it down, it's a volume button. It's a volume switch. It has 2 volumes. Oh man, it has 2 volume settings. And on the side there is a switch tuning hour announcement.
Hourly announcement off.
And hourly announcement off and on, and then there's alarm on.
The alarm will go off at 7 a.m.
And then alarm off.
Alarm off.
And it's a toggle between hourly announcement and alarm.
Hourly announcement on.
So if I set an alarm for, hold on, I have my Windows computer over here.
Speech mode talk.
Let me go ahead and I have an old Eloquence add-on thing. It's
22 o'clock and 58 minutes.
It's almost 11 o'clock, so if I go...
Alarm set.
Hope I can do this.
5:45 4:46 a.m.
Okay, hold on. It's gonna take a little while. So hopefully I can do this.
4:12.
Come on, You know what? Let's try at 11:02 p.m.
2:12 a. 1:28.
Okay, hold on.
1:09 a.m. 12:31. 11:36. 11:08 p.m.
It's 22 o'clock and 59 minutes.
11:02 p. 11:01 p.m. Alarm set. The alarm will go off at 11. The alarm will go off at 11:01 p.m.
Okay, we're gonna watch this thing. Okay, it's at.
It's 22 o'clock and 59 minutes.
So actually, we got a couple minutes to wait. So, yeah, I'm gonna give you a chance to hear the alarm sound. And, oh, well, while we're doing this, the battery door is on the bottom. If you can look here.
It's 11 o'clock.
And my Mac just basically said it's 11. So there's the batteries that you can, it takes 2 AA's, I believe. And let me just put this on here. Hold on. There we go. It's back on. I can easily remove this and then I can take the batteries out and put it back in. Okay, Gallagher 123123, if you're watching this video whenever I upload it, if this is the one that says the battery is low, yeah, I'm gonna have a pretty good time with this. So it's oh no.
It's 20.
The time is now 11:01 p.m. The time is now 11:01 p.m.
There it is,
The time is now 11:01 p.m.
and it just loops.
The time is now 11:01 p.m. 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 The time is now 11:02 p.m. The time is now 11:02 p.m.
Making sure it doesn't do.
The time is now 11:02 p.m. The time is now 11:02 p.m. The time is now 11:02 p.m.
And I just pressed it to stop it, the talk button. So, this was a look, an actual deeper look at my Reizen talking atomic alarm clock that I got last year back in May. So it's almost a year old, and this thing still has good batteries. This is Ken, and I'm out. Wait, hold on.
Speech unmuted. Stop video button.